question number 4 is the given homework. This question say that you have a cone given. You have a cone given whose base the radius is 12 centimeter and height given 24 centimeter. You have to melted it. You have to melted it and make a sphere. By this volume, you have to make the number of spheres. What you have to make? Numbers of spheres. You see that whenever you have to melt and by this same volume you have to make the spheres or not. It means this total volume, this melted volume equals to the volume of the sphere. You see that we have to calculate one volume of we have to calculate the volume of one sphere and divide the total volume by cone volume. You know that the volume of cone equals to what? Let's write volume of cone.
1 by 3 pi r square h.
1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Others have solved this question. You see the value of r given 12 centimeter, height given 24 centimeter. Then 1 by 3 pi r square h divided by this volume, this small sphere volume. You have to divide it this total volume by this one volume of r sphere, one volume. Then we have to find the number of volume. 4 by 3 pi r square divided by 4 by 3 pi r cube. This 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Not visible. See. You see that? You have to what question? You see that what question you have to tell? That question will that suppose you have to melted this cone. You have to melted this cone and we have to make the numbers of spheres. You tell to me the melted volume equals to the volume of sphere because by this same volume you have to use to make the sphere. You have to calculate the, you have to speak that volume of cone. What you have to speak? Volume of cone equals to the volume of spheres. What you mention? Volume of spheres. Okay, you have to calculate volume of one sphere and this total volume divided by volume of cone divided by volume of one sphere. We have to find the number of spheres. You see that? Now, volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h equal to suppose number of spheres we have x. What have to mention? X. X into volume of one sphere. Radius given. You see that? Diameter given 6 centimeter. This total radius is 3 centimeter. X into volume of sphere. 4 by 3 pi r cube. 3 into 3 into 3. Pi and pi. Cancel out. 3 and 3. Cancel out. Clear? Anyone have any problem? You see that? Radius r equals to 12 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter. This implies that you have to mention r square h. 12 into 12 into 24 divided by 4 into 3 into 3 into 3. This will be equals to x. 4 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 8 ja. And numbers of spheres is equals to what? 32 spheres. Okay. This question is clear. Doubt in question number 10. How many? Clear. Question number 14. How many doubt? Question number 14. 18. The diameter of a copper sphere is 18 centimeter. Suppose you have a copper sphere given. What is given? A copper sphere given. Whose diameter given? 18 centimeter. This implies the radius equals to 9 centimeter. Clear? Anyone any problem? It is melted and drawn into a long wire with wire of uniform cross section. Long wire of uniform cross section. If the length of wire is 108, find its diameter. What question I asked? If the length of wire is 108, then find its diameter. You see that you have a make a wire.
Sir, done. Sir, got.
Password.
Possible.
Password.
Melted volume, we have to make a wire. Who have? By this sphere volume, we have to make a wire. Whose length is 108. Then question I've asked about what is the diameter? Find its diameter.
Diameter means half
Half of the radius. You see that we have to melted this twice of the radius. You see that we have to melted this sphere and we have to make a cylindrical wire. Wire is always cylindrical because from first end to last end its radius is always fixed. It means this is the shape of cylinder. It means this total volume equals to volume of whose length given 108. Now we have to find the meter given.
Yes, sir.
Then we have to divide it by convert in the centimeter. Then you have to multiply it by 100. This will equals to
1080.
centimeter. This is the length of wire. You know that this volume equals to equal to the volume of cylindrical. It means volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube equals to the pi r square h. We have to find this r. Question I have asked about this r. What is the value of r? Well,
Yes.
question I have asked about h. Question I have asked that length is given of the wire. This wire length is given, but wire is cylindrical. Only have to mention the wire is cylindrical. Then we have to calculate the value of r. You see that this implies that 4 by 3. Value of pi is
Cancel.
or cancel pi and pi cancel out. Value of r cube. Value of r is 9 into 9 into 9 3 times equals to r square h. Leave r square value of h is 10800. Clear? Anyone have any problem? 3 3 are 9. This implies that 4 into 3 into 9 into 9 divided by 10800 r square. 3 divided this 108 or not? 9 also divided. You have to calculate the value of this. Got it right or not? Any other question you have doubt? Now we have to start solving from question number 19. You see that from these all questions I have to ask in the board exam. This question I have to ask in 2012. A hemispherical bowl of internal radius 9 cm. Which type of bowl given? Hemispherical means hollow. Hollow hemisphere given. This is said to be hemispherical shape. A hemispherical bowl of internal radius 9 cm is full of water. It contains are embedded into a cylindrical vessel of internal radius 6 cm. Find the height of water in the cylindrical. You see that you have a hemispherical bowl given. So you have to calculate the volume of this hemispherical bowl. That's the same volume you have to put in the cylindrical bowl. Suppose this is your this question.
Yes, sir.
These are homework question, and you have to write in your homework copy.
Written, sir.
Okay, you see that the internal diameter given. Suppose this is your hemispherical bowl. See that full of the water like that. Then first you have to calculate the volume of this. How much volume it contain? Volume content, then we have to apply the volume formula 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. This is the formula for hollow sphere. Then 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. This is the formula for hollow sphere, hollow hemisphere. After that, question say that this same volume we have to put in a cylinder. You see that a hemispherical bowl of internal diameter 9 cm is full of water. Contains
Yes, hollow.
internal radius 6 cm. Find the
But external is not given.
they have to position 19. Volume of
Sphere.
Hemisphere cell. As spherical cell, hemispherical cell you mention. When the hemisphere is hollow, it is said to be spherical cell, hemispherical cell. Got it? Volume of hemispherical cell equals to volume of cylinder. No, don't mention hollow cylinder. This will, because we have to calculate only internal part of the cylinder.
If
Equals to the
external will be
volume of
given,
the cylinder.
sir, if external will be given, then we will be calculating the thickness.
Why we have to take R minus R cube?
What happened?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Then we take
Then
R
we-
cube plus
why we will
because
take
in that
it
order
in
we don't
hemisphere?
have to use thickness, sir.
Then why will take in hemisphere, hollow hemisphere?
What happened?
So we don't need thickness man that also.
If the sphere is hollow, then thickness will be a
Then thickness
thickness
will
is
be
zero.
not added, na?
Take it as zero. Small r cube, take it zero.
Here you have also only mentioned this is the total volume, but you have to
How we can
calculate
take
only internal
small
volume.
r
Then we have mentioned 2 by 3 because inside
Internal
volume.
is given.
Listen to me. We have to
Small r
calculate.
cube of internal.
Hmm?
How we can take a small
Oh,
r
sir,
cube?
let us explain, sir.
What happened? What
How we
happened?
can take small r cube zero, sir? Because internal is given.
So only we have to calculate the volume for internal ना. When we have to discuss the material. बात सुन जरा. क्वेश्चन ये करा कि मटेरियल किस में रखा गया? क्वेश्चन अपने इसका 2 by 3 इंटरनल वॉल्यूम है कैलकुलेटेड 2 by 3 pi r2 equals to
Pi r square h.
pi r square h.
Pi by cancel.
Pi and pi cancel 2 by 3 value of r
729. 729.
radius 9 centimeter
9 cube 729.
into 9 cube it means 9 into 9 into 9 equals to r square h. We want to calculate this h. Value of r is 6 into 6 into h. This implies that value of h is 3 3 ja 9 2 3 ja 6 into 9 into 9 divided by 6 into 6
Cancel.
1 6 and 6 this implies that h equals to 9 9 ja 81 upon 6
13.5.
this implies that value of h equals to 13.5 centimeter. What is the idea here? In for conclusion it will give the, but we have to calculate only internal volume, then you have to apply the 2 by 3 pi r cube and pi r square h. Whenever question is asked about the thickness of the material, whenever question is asked about the thickness of material, then you have to apply this type of the formula. But here question is asked about internal volume. What is the internal volume? So whenever you have to put any material, this will become a solid hemisphere and this will become a solid cylinder. Because inside whenever you have to put the material, it will from inside it is the solid hemisphere or solid cylinder. In this question anyone have any doubt? Solve question
Number 20.
20. Okay. You see that question until that you have a hemisphere given. What is given? Hemisphere given, and by any cross sections the water have come out. And coming out rate is 25 by 7 liter per second. This is the rate of coming out of the water. So you have to find the volume of hemisphere, but question say that this the volume is the half of hemisphere. You have to impute only half hemisphere. When you calculate the total volume divided by 2, this is the half of the hemisphere. This volume is the half of hemisphere, and divided by this value, it will find the number of second. How number of second? This total volume is the impute. First you have to mention the given things. What have to mention? Solution number 20.
So divided by
Given radius of hemisphere equals to what given?
1.5.
2 meter. Till here anyone have any problem? Okay. According to question, volume of half, what is the speed? This is not speed given. This is the rate given by which is the this water tank is empty. Okay, see that volume of half tank, volume of half tank equal to what?
1 by 3 pi r cube.
To this hemisphere beta
1 by 3
2 by 3 pi r cube is the volume multiplied by
1 by 2.
multiplied by 1 by 2.
1 by 3.
1
2 and 2 cancel out. This will be equals to 1 by 3 pi r cube. First should calculate the total volume. First should calculate
Into one.
first it will come in the meter cube and 1 meter cube equals to
What the-
first you can convert this total volume in the liter. Okay, this will be equals to 1 by 3 value of pi we have to put 22 by 7 into r cube value of r is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into this in the meter cube.
1 minute, sir.
3 and 3 cancel out. 2 into this is the 11. 11 3 ja 33. 33 3 ja 99 divided by 2 2 7 2 ja 14 14 2 ja 28 meter cube. And you know that 1 meter cube equals to what?
1000 liter.
1000 liter, because you see that the rate of coming out given in the liter. You have to convert our quantity in the liter. It means this will be 9900 divided by 28 liter, 1000. 99,000 divided by 28. This much volume we have in the half hemisphere. In the half hemisphere, but rate given 25 by 7 liter per second. If by this rate we have to in 1 second this much of the volume coming out.
Divide by
This
this.
is the volume exactly given. In 1 second this type of the this volume have to coming out. Then if in total volume you have to divide by this volume, you have to find the number of seconds or not.
Yes.
Therefore time. Therefore time equals to total volume. What to mention? Total volume of half hemisphere. Half hemisphere divided by volume coming out per second. Then you have to find the time in second. Okay, 99,028 divided by 25 by 7. So see that 99,000 divided by 28 into 7 upon 25. Is there anyone have any problem? 7 4 ja 28. 25. You have to divide in 9,000. Are you see that we have to written like 99 divided by 4. This is 1,000 na?
Yes, sir.
1,000 divided by 25.
990, sir.
75 goes to 100, sir.
This will be okay.
990, no?
Yes,
990 upon.
Sir, 90 upon
Oh, this is 100. 25 4 ja.
Yes, sir. 990 upon
4 and 4. This will be equals to 990
Second.
second. If you want to convert in the minute divided by 60, then 990 divided by 00 cancel out.
not divided by
6 1 ja
1 6.
6 39 6 6 ja 3 6 5 ja 16.5 minutes. This is your answer. Once again I have to repeat this question. What question I have asked and how you have to solve the question. You see that? You see that? Again I have to explain. Ready? You see that you have a hemisphere given. This is your hemisphere, and question say that this hemisphere suppose full of the water. This hemisphere suppose full of the water, but question have said that you only have to release the half of water. It means only we have to input half of the tank. Okay, then first you have to calculate the volume of hemisphere divided by 2. Otherwise, it is directly the formula total volume divided by multiplied by 1 by 2 divided by 2. We have to calculate the half of the volume of this tank. Now, question say that the rate of coming out the water 25 by 7 per second. It means in 1 second this amount of the water is coming out. So first we have to coming out how much water we have. First we have to calculate how much water we have. We have to calculate water is 99,000 by 28 liter. This much volume we have in half of hemisphere. This much volume in a half of hemisphere. So we question say that in how much time it will be empty. This half tank in how much time it will be empty. Then this total volume divided by 25 by 7 liter per second. Because this much volume coming out in 1 second. If you have to divide this total volume by this volume, you have to find the in how much second the total this half of the tank will be empty. Then you have to divide this. You have to find the 990 second. In 990 second, this half of the tank will be empty. And if you want to convert in the minute, then divided by 16 in 16.5 minutes it will be empty. So see that you know that the volume of hemisphere is 1 by 2 by 3 pi r cube. But only you have to calculate the half of volume of the hemisphere, then multiplied by 1 by 2 and 2 cancel out. This is 1 by 3 pi r cube. 1 by 3 pi r cube. Here value of r given 3. Total diameter given 3, then radius is 3 by 2. 1 by 3, 22 by 7, 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 2. We have to do the calculations and find 99 upon 28 meter cube. This is the volume of hemisphere, but we convert in the liters. You know that 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liters. Then you have to multiply this volume by 1000. This will be equals to 99,000 upon 28 liters. Now, in 1 second, this much of the volume has to come out. We have to divide this total volume by this one. We have to find the time. Okay. And the given things, dimensions, given dimension of roof, given
22
given dimension of roof given
22 meter into 20.
dimension of roof equals 22 into 20. This is the length. Suppose this is the radius. Suppose height equals to h. Here given any problem? And cylinder radius. Cylinder radius equals to what? Radius of cylinder given
1 meter.
1
Meter.
So to diameter 2 meter given, it means radius is 2 by 2 means 1 meter. And height equals to 3.5 meter. First, whenever you solve the question, first you see that are the units are same or not. Because this is given 22 meter and 20 meter. Okay, dimensions given 22 meter and 20 meter. You see that these quantity in the meter. Suppose height equals to h meter, cylindrical radius given 1 meter, and height 3.5 meter given. Suppose question says that by this amount of the water, this cylinder is filled, whose radius is 1 meter and height is 3.5 meter. If we have to calculate the volume of this one, we have to calculate the total volume of this one or not. It means how much water we have to calculate it. Because this dimension into h, we have to calculate this water into the cylindrical vessel, and this cylindrical vessel is filled. If you have
4 by 5 only.
question say that if the rain water collected from the roof fills 4 by 5
Discussion about 22. You are sure it's
22 years are na.
No, 31.
4 by 5
11.
4 by 5 of this volume will be equal to the volume of the roof water, whose height is h and dimensions given like that. Okay, according to question, volume of roof equals to 4 by 5th of
pi r square h.
volume of cylinder. Clear? Anyone have any problem? 4 by 5th of volume of cylinder. 4 by 5th volume of cylinder is pi r square h.
9 meters across.
And this volume of LBH, we have to suppose height is as 22 into 20 into h. 22 into 20 into h equals to 4 by 5. This implies you see that 22 into 20 into h equals to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7.
4 by 5.
And value of r is 1 into 1
4 by 5.
into value of h. Don't mention 3.5, mention 7 by
7 by
2 into 7 by
4 by 5, sir.
Sir, it is not 4 by 5.
This is 4 by 5. Thank you. Clear? Anyone have any problem? We want to calculate this h. Okay. This implies that value of h equals to 4 into 22 into 7 divided by 5 into 7 into 2 into 20 into 22. Clear? Anyone
Sir,
have
why
any
you
problem?
written 7 by 2?
3.5.
Height is 3.5 or 7 by 2. 22 and 22. Cancel out. 4 5 ja 20.
7 cancel.
7 and 7.
Cancel.
Cancel out. Remains value is
Why you don't have this
1 upon 5 to ja 10.
1 by 50, sir.
1 by
50 is
50 meter.
Now what?
1 by 50 meter. But I think question have asked that find the rainfall in centimeter
100
multiplied by 100. This will be equal to 2 centimeter. How much rainfall will be there?
2
2
centimeter.
centimeter. Once again I have
Only this much rainfall.
only this much rainfall. 2 centimeter is much more. 22 meter area. Suppose only this is the roof and 2 centimeter height is also you have to convert. If you want to calculate the this one in the liter, convert all the quantity in the centimeter and you have to calculate the volume of the water. To see that how much water will fall. This is the volume of only this a particular area volume it is. This means this is the particular area rainfall. Once again I have to repeat the question. Question says that at any roof we have to collect the water of the rainfall. Whose dimension given 22 meter and 20 meter. If we want to calculate how much rainfall is there, then you have to measure the height of this roof. It means where water is collected, this water height we have to calculate it. Not we have to calculate the height of the roof. We have to calculate the height of the water. Okay. But suppose height of the water is h. But this the collected water we have to put in a cylindrical vessel, and this cylindrical vessel is filled 4/5 part of the cylinder. It means 4/5 of cylindrical. By this same amount of the water, the cylinder filled 4/5 part. 4/5 part. It means the volume of this roof with h, height h, how much water we have to equals to the 4/5 of the volume of the cylinder. You see that cylinder radius given, cylinder height given. We have to calculate it. L into B. Suppose the water the rainfall water height is h. 22 into 20 into h equals to 4 by 5. This much amount of the water collected in the cylinder, and volume of the cylinder is 4 by 5. Volume of 5 into 2 by 7.
1 into 1.
Radius 1 meter given, 1 into 1 into 7 by 2 equals to h. Now with this 22 and 20 you have to transfer it that side. H equals to 4 into 22 into 7 divided by 5 into 7 into 2 into 20 and 22. 22 cancel out. 4 5 ja 20. 7 cancel out. In numerator we have no value 1 by 50 meter. But question about it ki calculate this height in the centimeter. We want to convert the meter into centimeter multiplied by 100. Then this is the 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter rainfall is there.
Sir, 58,000 liters.